Hello, I'm John and I coach non-native English speakers from my home in beautiful South Africa. Holding a PhD in music and a simple TEFL certification, I bridge the gap between academic rigor and practical language instruction. Whether you are a tech professional aiming for a global career or a postgraduate student navigating complex research, I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you communicate with authority. What sets my lessons apart is over a decade of industry experience. I retired as a senior enterprise architect from IBM, where I advised C-level executives. I understand the specific language challenges in IT, from explaining system design to clearing high-stakes technical interviews. For my postgraduate students, I leverage my doctoral background to provide expert academic editing and proofreading, specializing in Harvard and APA 7 styles. In our tailored sessions, we will focus on technical interview preparation for IT roles, academic writing for master's and doctoral candidates, executive presentation skills for corporate leadership. I'm passionate about helping you find your voice confidently in demanding environments. Please take a look at my profile and book a trial session today. Let's start building your professional future together. Thank you.